about wire brushes after hearing this story on the radio recently about a woman who suffered internal damage when one of these little wire bristles came off a brush that had been used to clean a barbecue. And what happens is people clean the barbecue, the little wire bristles come off, put the hamburgers or whatever you're cooking on the barbecue, and some of the little wires can get stuck in the food. Thousands of people have suffered pain, injury, and had to go to surgery because they got one of these little wires stuck deep down inside their throat or all the way down in their, wherever it goes when you swallow. I know that sounds pretty dumb. I used to have a little barbecue that I used the wire brush on, and luckily for me and my guests, this never happened to any of them. And because this apparently happens so often, I think, well, why would anybody still use a wire brush? I went to 2 different hardware stores and a dollar store to see if they still sell wire brushes, and here's what I found. With all these good alternatives, plus a few more, which I will list below, I don't think anyone should ever use a wire brush to clean their barbecue. So if you like this video, share it with your friends, especially if you ever plan to go there for a barbecue, because even if you don't use a wire brush yourself, you never know if somebody else is using it on their barbecue. And maybe they have no idea what can happen. And under no circumstances should you ever use this as a toothbrush.